What is up, everybody, man? Yo, we out here, man. It's your boy Elevated, in case you didn't know, man. It's Elevated Travels, man. The new Rev1. We out here, man. First real trip since I've unlocked the bike. So we gonna just get it started, man. Just recording, riding, enjoying. Y'all drop that like, drop that subscribe. What the fuck? Oh, hell no. What the f is this? The f son of a bitch. See if we can. Mud. I hate 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 mud. Look at this dumbass, bro. Fuck it. Like, what the fuck is this stupid motherfucker? Bruh. Some white people, bro. I swear. Let's see. All right. Looks like we're making some ground. What the hell's going on up here? Can we get through? Look like we can a little bit. Skirt. Skeet. 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 I would do something really dumb, but skeet, skirt. Let's go. Yo, we did it. Skirt. I saw that car come and said, "Hey, yo, no go." Better get out of that lane. But we out here in the marina, man, somewhere. Marina Del Rey, Lincoln, some shit. I wish I could center the camera a little more. I'm on my phone, right? If I do that, it'll turn the volume down, and I'm not sure if I will be heard. So, because it'll just, if I center it, it's right where the buttons are. You know what I mean?
Oh, damn, that's messed up. Oh, dude, all right.
Oh, dude, all right. Yep, keep pushing. Should I get in the bike? I should have gotten a bike lane, bro. I'm gonna get in a bike lane and go the other way. But stopping on this thing feels so good. It's so quiet. It's like, it's crazy, bro. Out here in the marina, man, going to Venice Beach. Yo, this thing picks up like effortlessly, bro. Just going, like, what the? Yo, I don't have a helmet, yo. I mean, I do, but I just don't want to wear it. I ain't gonna lie. 31. It's a lot of wind. I'm like 800 pounds. I'm just playing. 33. 33. 33 miles an hour, what we capped out at. Like, okay. No, I do not run lights. I obey all laws. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Get your workout on. Get your workout on. Get your vegan on. Get your vegan on. I guess they're turnies. Hey, you said God bless me. Hey, I appreciate it. I'll take it. Oh, yeah. This shit cold. That's
Thank you, boss.
Thank you, bro. Oh. Black man arguing with a white man. I don't think they arguing, but not really arguing, but that guy right there, the red van, has an amazing setup, man. Lives in his van. It's just great. Cool bed, sink. He has cool guy. I asked him, could I record it? He said no. Cool dude. He allowed me to look, talk to me for a minute, but he didn't want me to record, which is understandable. I should probably blur his license plate out too. I don't know. Cool setup, man. Real cool. What's going on? How you doing? Yeah. Okay. That's your dog? Yeah. You got a lot of brain, bro.
He's awesome, man. He's no different than her regular dog.
You did you come up with that?
No, I made that one, but I copied it off of. I went to buy one. There were so many pictures of it online. I'm like, I could make that.
So you did make it?
Yeah, but I copied it off of pictures online.
That's good. What happened to the leg?
She had a stroke.
Oh, so really?
Like 9 years. Yeah. Let me come here. Come over here. Go here. Come on, go here. Come on.
That's amazing, bro.
Yeah, she's like bulletproof in it. Yep.
Hey, yeah, bro. I don't mean to hold you up. I was just amazed. That's great, bro. Have a good one, man. All right.